When we start exercising, we make a huge mistake. That is, we join the gym straight from the first day, but you have to take care that if you don't have body strain, then you can't have muscle growth. So here we come to our first tips, which is influence strength in body. Suppose you want to increase your muscle growth. If you can't do the basic movement first, where will your muscle growth come from? If you can't do 10 to 15 pull-ups at a time to learn the basic movement, if you can't lift your own weight, it means your body is not strong enough to increase your muscle growth. That's why many people do exercise, but there is no change in their body. If you can't do 20, 25 pull-ups at once, it means that your body's strength is not there at all. So even if you work out, you will not be able to grow muscles. So always take care of this saying. Make the basic body movement strong first, apply more push-ups, apply more pull-ups, do more squats, which is called lifting. Try to do these as you keep on studying them. Muscle growth will be from home. Then go to the gym and exercise with heavy weights. And then you will see how quickly the muscles grow. Let's talk about our next tip, which is very important tip, and that is the timing of exercise. And if you do home workout or go to the gym and exercise, but exercise with light weight, then you should increase the timing of your exercise. Because as long as the muscles are not heated, not stimulated, as long as your timing is not high, if you exercise with light things, exercise at home, then you have to work out there. You have to work out for 1 hour to 1.5 hours, from which your muscles' growth can increase. Because long-term exercise using light weight will break the muscle's fiber. And when our body repairs it, our muscle growth increases accordingly. This is because there is a process of repairing muscles. Its speed is very important if you are not exercising. You will not see the results. For this, we need nutrition. We follow many types of healthy food, diet plan for food with nutrition. But even our body is weak and has no energy at all, because our food lacks vitamins and minerals. That's why our body is weak and thin, and forget about muscles growth. Many people feel dizzy when they suddenly get up from bed. This means that our body has reached a low energy level. Our body needs many vitamins, proteins, and minerals, which we can get from nutritious food. And our diet must contain vitamins, proteins, and minerals. Let's talk about our next tips, which is use light weight. I told you in the video that unless you lift heavy weights, your muscles won't get big, thick, wide. So why do many people join the gym immediately? Start lifting heavy weights in the beginning. You can't do that at all if you are a beginner. That means you are starting. Then I am telling you the best tip. Use light weight. Use light weight. Work out at home, also use light weight. Add more repetitions. If you do more repetitions, your muscles will break. Don't do less repetitions. Do more repetitions with lighter weights. And then over time you can lift more weight, then you gradually lift heavier weights. Then you will see muscle growth will be very fast. As soon as you finish working out, always make sure that your diet is good. 10 to 15 minutes after you finish exercising, take a heavy diet. The amount of carbohydrate that you are taking in the diet should be high, and the level of protein should be good. Muscle growth will continue when the body gets all the nutrition. Otherwise, you will continue to work out and you will never be able to do muscle growth. Then let's talk about our next tips. If we are going to work out regularly, then we need to have a workout plan. The best workout plan to follow is what we call push-pull-leg workout. In the push-pull-leg workout, I have said many times that push muscles are the muscles that push. Pull muscle is for lifting, and we know leg muscle is leg muscle. So if you do push-pull-leg workout, then it is considered the best workout routine to grow muscles in overall body to increase your overall body strength. The best advantage of push-pull-leg workout is that if you do this type of exercise, you can train one muscle twice a week, which is best believed to enhance muscle growth. If you want to know the routine of push-pull-leg workout, how to do any exercise, then definitely comment.